Did you know that just by adding a few powerful foods to your daily meals, you could unlock better energy, faster fat loss, glowing skin, and even a longer life? The truth is, not all foods are created equal. And today, I'm revealing the top 50 superfoods that can transform your health from the inside out. Some of these you already know, but others will shock you. And wait until you hear number 27. It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, but you've never thought of it as a superfood. 1. Kiwi, the green powerhouse. This tiny fuzzy fruit is bursting with vitamin C. More than an orange, in fact. Vitamin C boosts your immune system, fights off colds, and keeps your skin glowing by supporting collagen production. But that's not all. Kiwi is also rich in potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and keep your energy stable throughout the day. The best part? Kiwi's fiber content supports smooth digestion. Try it in smoothies, salads, or just peel and eat it raw. Or how do you prefer to take your kiwi? Tell us below in the comment section. 2. Avocado, nature's butter. Next up, avocado, the creamy fruit that's more than just a trendy toast topping. Avocados contain nearly 20 vitamins and minerals, including potassium, folate, and vitamin K. But what makes them truly powerful are their healthy fats. Monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol. Just swapping butter or mayo for avocado can slash your risk of heart disease. And here's a fun fact. Eating avocado also helps your body absorb nutrients from other foods more efficiently. Coming up later, we'll talk about a nut that's also loaded with healthy fats, but has a secret brain-boosting benefit. Stay tuned. 3. Orange, the immunity booster. Oranges are the classic symbol of vitamin C, but they do so much more than keep you from catching a cold. They contain hesperidin, a compound proven to lower cholesterol and blood pressure naturally. Eating oranges regularly helps strengthen your immune system, protect your cells from damage, and improve circulation. Plus, their natural sweetness makes them the perfect snack that satisfies sugar cravings without spiking your blood sugar. But don't go anywhere, because soon, I'll reveal another everyday drink that can reduce your risk of heart disease just by sipping it daily. 4. Blueberries, the brain berry. These tiny blue gems are loaded with anthocyanins, plant compounds that give them their deep color and powerful antioxidant effects. Studies show blueberries may help improve memory, sharpen focus, and protect your vision. They also support stable blood sugar levels, making them a great snack if you want to avoid energy crashes. Think of them as brain food disguised as dessert. 5. Tomatoes, the DNA protector. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, one of the most powerful antioxidants known. Lycopene helps protect your DNA from damage, lowers your risk of cancer, and supports heart health. Cooking tomatoes, like in tomato sauce, actually increases the amount of lycopene your body can absorb. So next time you enjoy pasta with tomato sauce, remember, you're not just eating for taste, you're eating for longevity. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which supports muscle repair and keeps you full longer. It's rich in probiotics that improve gut health and digestion. The calcium and vitamin D strengthen bones and teeth. It also makes a creamy, healthy base for smoothies and snacks. 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in soluble fiber, helping lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. It provides steady energy and keeps you full throughout the morning. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it supports heart health. It's a versatile breakfast that pairs well with fruits and nuts. 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete plant protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's naturally gluten-free and rich in fiber, aiding digestion. Packed with iron, magnesium, and manganese, it supports energy and bone strength. This grain is perfect for salads, bowls, and healthy side dishes. 9. Eggs. Eggs are nutrient-dense, providing high-quality protein and healthy fats. They're rich in choline, essential for brain health and memory. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting eye health. Versatile and affordable, eggs make a powerhouse meal anytime. 10. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with iron, which helps oxygen circulation in the body. It contains antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene that protect vision. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, it strengthens bones and immunity. A low-calorie leafy green, it's great in smoothies, salads, and soups. 11. Carrot. Carrots are famous for their beta-carotene, which boosts eye health. They provide fiber to aid digestion and regulate blood sugar. Packed with antioxidants, they lower the risk of chronic disease. Sweet and crunchy, they're great raw, cooked, or juiced. 12. Kale. Kale is a nutrient powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K. It contains antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. High in calcium and magnesium, it strengthens bones and muscles. This leafy green is perfect for salads, smoothies, or chips. 13. Almonds. Almonds are packed with healthy fats and plant protein for steady energy. They're rich in vitamin E, protecting skin and boosting immunity. High in magnesium, they support heart health and muscle function. A crunchy, filling snack that also helps control appetite. 14. Mushroom. Mushrooms strengthen immunity with antioxidants and vitamin D. They're low in calories but packed with minerals. Also support gut health with prebiotics. 15. Onion. Onions are rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, which fights inflammation. They boost heart health and strengthen the immune system. Onions also support gut health with natural prebiotics. Best used raw in salads or lightly sautéed for flavor and nutrients. 16. Fat-free organic milk. A great source of calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. It provides high-quality protein for muscle repair. Being fat-free, it supports weight control. Drink a glass daily or blend into smoothies for extra nutrition. 17. Sweet potatoes. Loaded with beta-carotene, they improve eye and skin health. High in fiber, they aid digestion and support weight loss. They also regulate blood sugar levels. Bake, steam, or mash them with spices instead of frying for maximum benefit. 18. Salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health. It's an excellent source of lean protein. Salmon also reduces inflammation in the body. Grill or bake twice a week, avoiding heavy frying for best results. 19. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it supports heart health. Contains powerful antioxidants that fight cell damage. Helps reduce inflammation naturally. Use as a salad dressing or drizzle on cooked veggies. Never overheat to preserve benefits. 20. Flax seeds. High in omega-3s, they protect the heart and brain. Rich in lignans that balance hormones. Packed with fiber for digestion and weight control. Grind before use and sprinkle on yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal for max absorption. 21. Dark chocolate. Contains flavonoids that support heart and brain health. Boosts mood and reduces stress. Improves circulation and lowers blood pressure. Choose 70% cocoa or higher and enjoy 1 to 2 small squares daily. 22. Garlic. A natural antibiotic that strengthens the immune system, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure, supports heart and gut health. Eat raw for the strongest benefits or add crushed garlic to meals after cooking. 23. Chia seeds. Packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3s. They improve digestion and promote fullness. Also support healthy skin and energy levels. Soak overnight in water or milk for pudding, or add to smoothies for easy absorption. 24. Oysters. One of the best sources of zinc for immunity. Supports reproductive and hormonal health. Rich in protein and iron for energy. Eat steamed, grilled, or raw with lemon for maximum mineral retention. 25. Brown rice. High in fiber for digestion and weight management. Rich in B vitamins and minerals for energy. A healthier alternative to white rice. Cook in water or broth and pair with lean protein and veggies for a balanced meal. 26. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is lean, high in protein, and low in fat. It supports muscle growth, repair, and weight management. Rich in B vitamins for energy and immune function. Use grilled, baked, or boiled for a clean protein source. 27. Apples. Apples are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. They improve digestion, support heart health, and hydration. Their natural sweetness reduces sugar cravings. Eat raw, add to oatmeal, or blend in smoothies. 28. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the richest sources of selenium. They support thyroid function, brain health, and immunity. Just 1 to 2 nuts daily meet your selenium needs. Eat raw as a snack or add to salads and desserts. 29. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants like EGCG. It boosts metabolism, supports brain health, and detoxifies. Also helps reduce belly fat and inflammation. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily for maximum benefits. 30. Barley. Barley is a fiber-rich whole grain. It lowers cholesterol, balances blood sugar, and aids digestion. It also supports long-lasting energy. Use in soups, salads, or as a rice substitute. 31. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in calories but nutrient-dense. It's rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Supports detoxification and reduces inflammation. Steam, roast, or blend into rice/mash form. 32. Coffee. Coffee is rich in antioxidants and boosts energy. It improves focus, metabolism, and physical performance. May lower risk of diabetes and Alzheimer's. Drink 1 to 2 cups black or with plant milk. Avoid excess sugar. 33. Bone broth. Bone broth is packed with collagen, amino acids, and minerals. It supports gut health, skin elasticity, and joint function. Strengthens the immune system naturally. Drink warm or use as a base for soups and stews. 34. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s and antioxidants. They boost brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve mood. Also support heart and skin health. Eat a handful daily or sprinkle over salads/oatmeal. 35. Beets. Beets improve blood circulation and athletic performance. They're rich in nitrates, fiber, and antioxidants. Support liver detox and lower blood pressure. Eat roasted, juiced, or added to salads and smoothies. 37. Black beans. 36. Black beans. Black beans are rich in protein, fiber, and iron. They stabilize blood sugar and support digestion. They also fuel energy and muscle repair. Add to soups, stews, tacos, or salads. 37. Goji berries. Goji berries are high in antioxidants and vitamin A. They boost immunity, skin health, and energy. Also support eye and liver function. Eat dried as a snack or add to tea, oatmeal, and smoothies. 38. Turnip greens. Turnip greens are loaded with calcium, vitamins A, C, and K. They strengthen bones, boost immunity, and improve digestion. Rich in antioxidants for cell protection. Steam, sauté with garlic, or add to soups and stews. 39. Sunflower seeds. Rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They boost skin health and reduce inflammation. High in protein and magnesium for energy balance. Snack on raw seeds or sprinkle over salad/yogurt. 40. Turkey. Lean protein source, low in fat and high in B vitamins. Supports muscle growth and keeps you feeling full. Contains selenium to boost immune function. Eat roasted turkey breast or add to sandwiches/wraps. 41. Peanut butter. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Supports muscle recovery and keeps you satisfied. Contains vitamin E for healthy skin and heart. Spread on whole grain toast or add to smoothies. 42. Buckwheat. Gluten-free, grain-rich in fiber and antioxidants. Helps regulate blood sugar and supports heart health. Full of protein, making it great for weight control. Use as porridge in pancakes or as rice substitute. 43. Watercress. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and K. Acts as a natural detoxifier and immune booster. Supports bone health and glowing skin. Add fresh to salads, soups, or sandwiches. 44. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C and powerful antioxidants. Supports digestion and boosts collagen production. Helps detoxify the body naturally. Squeeze into warm water, salads, or herbal teas. 45. Fennel. Great source of fiber and vitamin C. Supports digestion, reduces bloating, and improves skin. Has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Enjoy fennel tea or roast fennel bulbs as a side dish. 46. Lentils. High in plant protein, fiber, and iron. Boosts energy and supports muscle recovery. Helps regulate blood sugar and digestion. Use in soups, curries, or as a base for salads. 47. Pumpkin. Rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and fiber. Supports eye health and strengthens immunity. Low in calories but filling for weight loss. Roast pumpkin chunks or blend into soups and smoothies. 48. Black tea. Rich in antioxidants called polyphenol. Boosts brain function and supports heart health. Helps improve digestion and metabolism. Drink plain or with lemon for a refreshing boost. 49. Celery. Is a low-calorie vegetable rich in water, fiber, and antioxidants that help with digestion and hydration. Its natural compounds support lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. The high fiber aids in weight loss by promoting fullness. Celery also supports liver health and detoxification. 50. Coconut oil. Contains healthy MCT fats for energy. Supports weight management and brain health. Has antibacterial and skin-nourishing properties. Used for cooking, add to smoothies, or as a skin moisturizer. And there you have it, the top 50 superfoods that transform your body. From berries and greens to seeds, spices, and even chocolate, these foods are nature's way of giving you energy, healing, and longevity. Remember, it's not about eating all 50 in one day. It's about slowly adding them into your lifestyle, one meal at a time. Which of these superfoods do you already eat daily? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting content every week. Your body will thank you, and together, we'll keep glowing and slim the healthy way. You can watch our other video that's shown on the screen for more health tips and enjoy watching it.